before when I was here when I first came in, I left. I couldn't stand here. It was just that feeling of getting the fuck out. It was that strong like that. I don't know if it was maybe because the box was doing it, I don't know. But this is where this light was pulsing as well. That's interesting because that's not off. And this is where this light was like that before. So I had up the step there, the bottom step, looking this way.
If the entity, spirit, person, no light at the moment.
No.
Yeah, nothing. If there is a spirit here that made that ball light up a few moments ago, can you do it again, please? Just so we know you're here. Can you light that ball up for me, please, on there?